How to use Sesam safely. Well, to enhance your security while using Sesam, ensure your device, operating system, and the Sesam app are up to date, as updates often include security patches. Well, avoid using public or unsecured Wi-Fi networks when using Sesam to identify songs, as these can be vulnerable to interception. Be mindful of the permissions you grant to Sesam, especially location and microphone access, and only grant access to what's necessary. For the access here, you can head over to settings. Once in the settings, you can head into apps. Under apps, now you can look in for Sesam. From here, you want to check what permissions have you given it for the applications. Make sure to give only the necessary permissions, and if you have given location and microphone access, you need microphone, but you want to make sure that your location is off. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave the comments down below if you have any further issues as well.